Good day, this is Jimmy. We're starting back up on this Chevy Blazer. Had a video, part one, I guess you would call it, going down the rabbit hole. Showed as I dug into the rust on this thing, did a backing plate on it, and now we're going to build the B pillar. Had a complete B pillar, but it's pretty much just rusty on the bottom, so we're going to put the section in. Going to take a pretty good amount of work to get it in there. Had welded this backing plate in here. Got it in there good and solid, but now I've got to do a little stretching on it. There was a crease in it that this B pillar had to go with. So I'm taking my air hammer with a planishing head on it and putting the crease back in it up under here. What that does is it puts a stretch in the metal, just like if you had it up on the table in a machine or something like that. But because I got that plate welded solid, it's very easy to stretch with that planishing hammer. Now, I took the B pillar and I trimmed off just a little bit more than I needed. And now I've got to cut it in place there. Without this bead pillar, there'll be nothing for that roll pan that we have to build for the bottom of that bedside to even lay on. So the thing is, no matter how bad that rust is, if you dig a deep enough hole and start working your way out of the rabbit hole, we can get it done. Now, I'm going to get this in. I'm going to get it in solid. And if you want to learn how to put a B-pillar in, watch this video. I want to use this to encourage you not give up on the old project. I'm going to put captions up above it as I go to give you a descriptive text. Now, I'll tell you, I can't get nothing done talking, so we're going to move on with this. We're going to put on a little tune, and you can watch us come on out of this rabbit hole. All right, I got it pushed around exactly where I feel like I need it. I feel like it's gonna work out. Giving enough room for that extension right there. Got it pushed around and tight. Now this I'll have to go solid with this. Got a little bit of gap right there. Now this is that seam that I was saving, or trying to save. So I've got it in place where it's functional. Now, what I have to do now, the top has to be welded solid. Had to go in right here. You see that indentation right there? After we put that plate in, then we had to stretch it. So this lip would lay down in there like it's supposed to. So that's what we were doing with the air hammer, putting a good stretch in it, rolling it down. Got 2 holes to drill here. Like I say, to make it look right, gonna drill those holes, grind that weld this up. All right, installed B-pillar extension, sectioning B-pillar.